Quick tip. In 60 seconds, I'll show how to remove the camera button on iPhone 16. From your home screen, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Control Center to manage shortcuts and toggles. Next, tap Customize Controls to see the list of active and available controls. Under Included Controls, you'll find Camera, the button that opens the camera. Tap the red minus icon beside Camera, then confirm by tapping Remove. The camera moves into more controls, meaning it's no longer in the Control Center. Swipe down from the top right to open Control Center and verify the camera is gone. If you ever want it back, return to Customize Controls and tap the green plus. Removing and use controls keeps things tidy and reduces accidental camera launches. A quick check. Try launching the Control Center and test any changes you made. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more concise iPhone 16 tips and tricks.